channel Kids Cloud. Please subscribe to this channel Kids Cloud. What is pollution?
As we travel to the countryside, we immediately sense the difference in the air, water, and land. Or you can say the overall atmosphere. The air turns cleaner and fresh to breathe. The water looks uncontaminated. The soil appears fertile and green. Additionally, you could able to listen to nature instead of annoying traffic horns or machinery sounds. Why do we feel this difference? It's due to pollution. Let's learn more about pollution and pollutants. What is this pollution? Pollution is a term used to indicate the presence of harmful substances in our environment, which can affect all living organisms and our surroundings adversely. There are 4 types of pollutions: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and sound pollution. What are the pollutants? There are certain permitted levels of constituents in air, water, or soil, or you can say in our environment. When these constituents get beyond their permitted levels, we call them as pollutants. Or a pollutant is a substance introduced into the environment that has undesired effects and which makes the natural resources unclean. There are 2 types of pollutants: primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. What are primary pollutants? Most of the pollutants directly released in the atmosphere from sources such as cars, coal-fired power plants, natural gas power plants, biomass burning, natural forest fires, volcanoes, etc. These are primary pollutants. Other examples of primary pollutants are carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, sulfur oxides, volatile organic compounds, particulate matter, etc. Primary pollutants chemically react in the atmosphere and form secondary pollutants. For example, hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides are primary pollutants released in the atmosphere through different sources. These primary pollutants react with each other in the presence of sunlight. It leads to the formation of ozone, the secondary pollutant. Ozone formed near the ground level is hazardous to our health. So what makes the air dirty? The sources of air pollution mainly include factories, agricultural industries, chemical industries, fuel burnings, volcanic eruptions, forest fires, heating system in buildings, etc. Additionally, a large number of vehicles contributing to the increased amount of carbon monoxide in the atmosphere. Similar to air, water can get polluted in various ways. Pollutants include harmful chemicals, microorganisms, waste from the farms, industries, etc. These are some of the pollutants in water. Pathogens, for example bacteria, viruses, or other unicellular organisms. Inorganic materials, for example heavy metals. Organic compounds, which include many hazardous chemicals. Trash or garbage, which includes plastics, wrappers, pieces of metals, wood, etc. Oil is also one of the important pollutants in water. Third type of pollution is soil pollution. There are plenty of contaminants or pollutants already present in every type of soil. Up to a particular level, they are harmless to the soil. But due to direct or indirect human activities, excess of these compounds enter into the soil. It increases the concentration of these contaminants beyond their natural levels that leads to soil pollution. Some of the sources that contaminate soil are natural accumulation, industrial waste, careless disposal of waste, excessive use of pesticides and fertilizers, deforestation, etc. Some of the main pollutants in soil are as follows: heavy metals, hydrocarbons, polychlorinated biphenyls, pesticides and herbicides, insecticides, nitrate, etc. The fourth type of pollution is noise pollution. Above 65 to 70 decibels noise is considered as noise pollution. What causes noise pollution? Traffic, machines, construction work, air traffic, and even animals can cause noise pollution. Noise pollution impacts not only on human health but also the well-being of wildlife, both on land as well as in sea. So kids, here is a task for you. How can you contribute to minimize the air pollution? Can you suggest a single effective way to reduce water pollution? How do you make public awareness on control of pollution?
Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel.